Hey everyone, so today's mudra meditation is the Jnana Mudra, and this one will be very familiar for a lot of people. It is this right here where you put the thumb and the tip of the index finger together, and these three fingers are out, pointing outwards. You do that on the other hand as well, and you place it facing upwards on your thighs. So this is for higher knowledge, higher wisdom, for concentration. It helps to balance the right and the left side of the brain, and it helps to open up the third eye, the chakra right here. So let's get into a comfortable position where we won't be disturbed for a couple of minutes, and let's do this mudra. And close your eyes and put your hands on your lap with your mudra activated, and take a deep breath in through your nose and exhale through the mouth, and another deep breath in through the nose and exhale through the mouth, relaxing your body, your mind, your emotions, just letting it release and let go. Focus on the mudra, allowing that breath to flow through the mudra. Now begin to focus on the third eye chakra, the center of your forehead. And envision an indigo light, a deep purple light at the center of the chakra, expanding out, becoming more and more illuminated, opening up the third eye chakra even further, opening up to your intuition, to your higher consciousness, to your higher knowing. And just continue to breathe as you witness this chakra becoming more and more open. And then begin to listen deeply to what it is that your higher consciousness, your intuition is saying. Now just remember that your higher consciousness would never speak negatively. So if you are experiencing any lower vibration, negative information coming through, that is not your higher consciousness. And if that happens, allow that negative energy to be removed. And then again, tap into that higher wisdom through your third eye chakra, connecting with the divine within yourself, intending for only the highest consciousness to come through. Allow that light of the higher consciousness to infiltrate your body, your mind, your emotions, creating a healing and harmonizing space for you. And just continue to breathe, allowing that higher consciousness to be connected more deeply to you. Now, if you want to stay here a little longer, you can take a few more moments. And when you are ready to come out, thank the higher consciousness for being here. Showing gratitude and appreciation for this deep connection. And then begin to bring your awareness back into the room, back into the space, back into your body. And whenever you are ready, you can open your eyes. Thank you. Thank you for being here. Namaste.